Want to master database design and management with the world's top databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB? You're in the right place.
I'm excited to welcome you to this database masterclass where you'll learn to design and manage databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB like a pro.
We'll start by installing and setting up MySQL database, PostgreSQL database, and MongoDB step by step following industry standards and the right procedures.
Then you'll master SQL fundamentals such as creating tables, inserting data, updating data, deleting data, and writing powerful queries to our databases. We'll dive into advanced concepts like joins, views, indexing, auto-commit, rollbacks, date functions, wildcards, and more advanced database tools. So we will explore MongoDB database, from sorting and filtering to updates and deletes, working with documents, collections, embedded data, and one-to-one references.
Learn by doing. So you'll not only understand databases, you'll be able to build and manage database confidently using MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB.
I am George Steve, so join Chris Mendes and I in this database masterclass and learn MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Thank you, and see you in the course.
Learn with Emenwa Global.